A quick video here on how I sharpen my nail clippers. These are Miller's, the larger ones. This method works for any type, whether they're scissor or guillotine style. Have a sharpener here with this sharpener. This is typically used for the serrated portion of a knife blade. Also have a chainsaw file. I prefer to use this because it's longer. The thing that you want to make sure of is the angle that your sharpener is. You want to keep with that natural curve inside. If you do it too flat, you're going to dull the blade. So you want to stay with the angle like that, not straight across the edge there. You want to sharpen in one direction, so you just pull that towards you and go all along the blade there. You don't ever touch the flat side. Those need to stay straight so that they meet when they cut. A lot of places that sharpen knives or sell knives will be able to do it for you if you're not comfortable with it. So that's getting sharper there. Do the other side. I like this one because I can get a longer stroke when using it. It's tough to see, it's a bit awkward to keep in view here. Start to feel them, they're getting a little bit sharper. So it's quick and easy to do. These are fairly cheap, under 10 bucks for sure, if not $5. Most places that sell camping stuff, like Walmart, Canadian Tire, will sell these. Most hardware stores will have the chainsaw blade. So that's just quick how I sharpen them. Any questions? Just shoot me a message. Okay.